Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete a YouTube channel. That's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So deleting a YouTube channel isn't that direct where you can go onto YouTube and then delete the YouTube channel. The problem with deleting a YouTube channel is that you need to delete the whole Google account connected to that YouTube channel. So it is, unfortunately, this is the only way because YouTube is a part of Google and Google is part of your Google account. So deleting your Google account is going to completely delete your YouTube channel. So how we can do that? So first of all, you're going to launch YouTube. Now from YouTube, you're going to go onto your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From there, you're going to click on Google account, and then you're going to click on your Google account you're using. Okay, and now after that, you're going to click on data and privacy, and then you're going to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down all the way until, as you can see, something called delete your Google account. You're going to click on it, and as you can see, you're going to delete your Google account. You're going to verify, okay, and after that, it's going to ask for you to if you want to delete your Google account or not. Okay, as you can see, it's going to show you all the videos, everything, and once you click on delete, it's going to delete your account and you have nothing. And then after that, you delete your Google account and your YouTube account. As you can see, the associated channel will be deleted. So yeah, guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.